At Lundberg Family Farms, sustainability is an integral part of who we are as a community. We strive to honor our legacy through old and new practices. Our latest step on our path to sustainability is solar energy.
These fields have been grown organically for 20 years and are non-GMO verified. As stewards of the land, we nourish the soil and protect the crop.
We bring our sustainability practices into our snacks facility. We have systems in place to make sure our processes run as efficiently as possible. All rejected rice cakes are composted or recycled into animal feed, staying true to our commitment of zero waste. We recycle 99% of our waste here, even hairnets and safety glasses.
So the next time you enjoy a Lundberg Family Farms product, you can be confident that it was made with the environment in mind.
From our family to yours.
Let's change the world.
One grain at a time.